Today we're looking at a smart security camera with AI-powered event detection by Annke. This camera is 3 megapixel, Wi-Fi battery, and you can also use a solar panel if you want. The camera has 4,400 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. Let's have a closer look. And as always, if you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Some information here. The box is a bit damaged from that side. It's saying it has free cloud storage and different motion recognitions. Some information on this side. So as I mentioned before, 3 megapixel HD, AI event detection, on duty 24/7. So as soon as it picks up motion, it will start recording and the app will push you a notification. Two-way audio, 100% wire free, IP65 weatherproof. A sticker to put on your window, 24-hour video surveillance. Little quick start guide. We have some QR codes there to download the app from App Store and Google Play. Some technical information there if you're interested. Information on how to mount the camera. Sticker. Type A to Type C charge cable. Mounting hardware. Mounting bracket. 3 holes there where the screws will fit. That's what it looks like from there. The camera would fit on there. If I twist this, that loosens off. So you can move the camera. Once you have the camera where you want it, you just tighten that. Onto the camera. I really like the size of this camera. It's nice and compact. Some information at the top. Speaker at the back. Mounting thread. That's where this bracket will fit. Where I have my thumb, we have the QR code there. We will need that QR code when we link the camera to the app. Some Annke branding on this side, some Annke branding on this side. At the bottom we have on off, reset, Type C charging port, micro SD card slot. It sports up to a 128 GB micro SD card. It doesn't come with one, you will need to use your own. And as it said on the box, free cloud storage. If I lift this up, I remove this, put the rest of this back down. A Type C port, you could get a solar panel that has a Type C cable. You'd put that in here, and as the rest is covered, you won't get any water in there. And then you could use this camera solar powered. If you live in a hot country, you won't need to worry about charging the camera. We have the lens, light sensor, status indicator, microphone. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. And then we have a PIR motion sensor. We will need this app here. I don't know why Annke haven't used their own app, because I have a set of Annke CCTV cameras and I've reviewed other Annke products as well. Really happy with them. Anyway, it is what it is. So let's turn the camera on and then we will link it up. The status indicator is flashing. So I will open the app. Okay, add camera. Enable Bluetooth, I'll turn that on. My Wi-Fi password.
Connection succeeded.
It's asking me to rate the app already. I haven't even used the app. Here it's giving us the difference between the two plans. Free, of course, that's the one that came with the camera, and then we can upgrade to premium. So as a rolling history of up to 3 days, it will keep the footage. Motion recording, it records up to 20 seconds. The premium one, of course, because you pay for it, you get rolling history up to 60 days and then up to 3 minutes of recording. Motion alerts, they both cover them, and then the rest, the free one doesn't cover. So you could see there, that's a live view. If I move the camera around, I tap on the screen, you could see we have two icons here. One, you could start recording. So if you see something, you could start recording yourself. It will save within the phone. We have a picture, you could take a picture, and the one next to that, them little square boxes that will turn the screen around. Sound, I have that muted at the moment because I'm next to the camera and it will give me feedback. Alarm. That is loud. White light. We have sleep, that will turn the camera off. Okay, at the bottom we have home, where we are now. We have library. So this is all the events it has picked up. An option there between cloud and SD card. We have user. So most of the features are read out before on the box. They locked behind subscription. Let's go back to home. The battery information, Wi-Fi strength, status online, motion detection, recording settings, SD card recording duration. It's on 10 seconds. Let's put it on up to a minute, because you want longer clips if you are going to use your SD card. Notification settings, alarm settings, video settings. This is where you could select the resolution 2K or standard definition. Rotate the screen. So if you mount the camera the other way around, you could rotate the screen around. Anti-flicker and stuff. Auto night vision. By default, it's on black and white mode. You could select color night mode as well. The little light at the front will light up. SD card video, SD card management. So it's very important to format your SD card. I have formatted this card. Light settings. So a little indicator light, you can turn that off if you want. So say you don't mount this, you have it placed in your window pointing out and you don't want to draw attention to it, you could turn that indicator light off, which is a good feature. Power settings, audio settings. Let's click on audio settings. So the alarm volume, you could turn that up. It's loud enough at 75 in my opinion, but you could turn it up or down if you want. Share, installation guide, remove camera. Nice simple app. Okay, we'll have a look at some daytime and nighttime footage now. Before I show you the footage, like I always say, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced because YouTube compressed the file. There isn't anything I could do about that. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. So my friends, let me know what you think of the image quality in the description box below. In my opinion, for the price, it's a decent camera. You can also get this camera as a pack of 4 as well, directly from Annke. It's got a nice simple app. The app sometimes takes a bit of time to load, but once you're in the app, you're fine. It doesn't lag or anything. I like the layout of the app. You won't get lost within this app. It's simple. I like the light. I like the alarm. And as mentioned before, you cannot go wrong for the price. If you want to know more about this, or if you want to pick this up, the link out in the description box below. Or if you want to watch any other Annke camera reviews, I'll pin them in the comment section below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.